In this video lecture, we are going to look at list in Python programming. Okay, so list, just like some other programming languages that has arrays and so on, Python has what is called list. And let's go here and create one because we need to look at that. So we can call this list1 or list2 or any other name out there. So let's go here and say this is called list1. And inside here, you insert the values of the list. Let's say 23, 56, 89. These are list of integers, 12, 600. Okay, so now I have a list. I can always come inside here and check out this list. I can be able to access the list based on their index values. If I want to print, this is index 0, this is index 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I want to print out a list of index 0. I can go here and say print and list 1, and I want to get index 0. Go here and put index 0 and run this code. So the value of index 0 is 23. You can see that. Now you can go here and check out other ones. Let's say index 4, and I'll go here and run this code and check it out. And that is 600. And this is not 5. It's 4 is the highest. So if you go here and put 5 there, you will get an error. Let's go here and check it out. You see that? It is out of range. Okay. Now, you can check the length of your list. Let's say you want to check the length of this list. You can go here and say print and length, that is ln, and go here and say list 1. So we're checking the length of this list and go here and run this code. And the length is 5. You see that? It consists as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but different indexes, right? And now, what if you want to print? I think I'll leave this so that you can be able to see that. I'll go here and create another one, print, and I want to print out the very first 3 elements of this list. How can I do that? I'll go here and say print list 1, and I'll go here and say 3, and go here and run this, and this is 23, 58, and 89. So I hope that is easy, and I want to print this index 1, and I'm going to stop at 83. Let's go here and check it out. I'll go here and insert index 1 here. And let's run the code and check it out. Run. And this is 56 and 89. You can go and extend this to 4 and run. And this is 58, 56, 89, and 12. Alright, I hope you can see that. And we can make a list of string and not just integers alone. Let's go here and check out how to create list of string. So I'm going to call this to be list2. And let's go here and kick off. So I'm going to say, let's call this to be Peter. And next one is Paul. And next one is Jude. Wow. And next one is hello. Wow. I think I'm okay with this. Alright, so let's go ahead and print out the list. Oh, that is list 2 is equal to this. Okay. Now I want to print out list 1 and list 2. Print list 1. Put a comma and list 2. And go ahead and run this code and check it out. Okay, you see that? I printed out both list 1 and list 2 here. Okay, and you must say this is integers and this is string. Why did I print out both of them? Unlike when we want to print out strings and integers and you are having problem. This is a list and it doesn't know what is inside it, so it goes ahead and prints out the content of it, where it is integer or string. Okay, whether there is integer or string. And if you want to print out only list 1, you can go ahead and remove list 2 and run this code again. And this is printed out for you. And for list 2, just exactly the same thing. You pull list 2 and print it out, and that is here. Alright, so let's go ahead and print out starting from the last one. If I want to print out these, I can go ahead and say print list 2 and which index? Let's say index. If I say index 0, it's going to print out Peter. Sorry, this is index 0. And let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Peter is printed out for us. And if I want to print out hello, I can go ahead and say this should be -1. If I say -1, let's check it out, -1, and print this out. Hello. You see that? And -2 is Jude. Let's go ahead and check it out. -2 is Jude. And now it's printed out. And Peter is -4. Check it out. Let's see it. -4, and let's print this guy out, and that will be Peter. Wow, and that is applicable to list. Is applicable to list 1. Let's change this to list 1 and print this out, and let's check it out. And 56 is -4. Okay. So, you see that, and that is applicable to both list 1 and list 2. So now let's go ahead and try to combine both integers and string, and let's name this to list 3. And this is equal to Peter, Paul, and let's go ahead and say 56. It's 9, 600. And let's go ahead and run this code. And wow, am I running this code? Wow, I've not printed it. So go ahead and say print list 3. And let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, down here you can see that Peter, Paul, 56, 89, and 600 were printed out. And in the same way, you go ahead and put in all these and check them out. And if I go ahead and do that, let's go ahead and say print list 3 and negative. How many? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as a negative -1. And go run this, and that will be 600 printed out for you. Just exactly the same thing. So you can print out both string and integers in a list, and that will work out very fine. So play around with it and check it out and make sure you are getting exactly the same thing and better than what I'm getting here. So you have enough time to practice with it and enjoy yourself. And if you have any question, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.